So where are your projects stored in Visual Studio and where are your source files? Let's go ahead and create a project. And I'm going to create a project which is a console application using the language C#. I'm going to press on next, give it some name, project 1. And if you look at the location, it says D drive /sources /repos. I'm just going to click on next. And I'm going to choose .NET version 5, create. This is going to create a C# application with the .NET using version 5, which means that we're going to have the main and the class and a namespace. If you want version 6, I'll make a video of that and see the differences, but that's another video. Now, I'm going to close the whole thing over here, and I'm going to show you what happens. So I'm going to go to my file folder, which I have so many drives, to D drives. You're going to see something called source, and inside source there is repos, and inside repos there is project 1. Inside of project 1, you're going to see these two items, which is a folder and a file. You're probably not going to see this one because in my computer I said that I can have the option of viewing everything. Let me hide the files. So this is probably what you're going to see. Now inside over here there is one specific file called program.cs. CS stands for C#. If I open Notepad and drag and drop, it's going to be my program over here. If I write where are my programs or files stored, and just click and save over here, it's going to change the file. Now, how can I open this back again? Basically, I can open Visual Studio and ask to open this file, or I can double click on this file and it's going to open Visual Studio. And on the right hand side, it's going to load the project files that are needed. And over here, I'm going to see the main file as I closed it. Now, this is the source file. It has been edited in Notepad, and that is reflected in Visual Studio. Other files that you're going to see are going to be inside this project folder, maybe inside the binary if you want to see the executable. But wait, we don't have the executable yet because we still did not build. Once you build and you look back to the folder, now you'll see that the folder has been populated and one of the files is the executable file. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.